Myself, Mr. Shelar RT from Madhavrao Boraste Vidyalay, Ozar. I will teach you Mathematics Part 2, Chapter number 2, Pythagoras Theorem. Now listen here student, today we shall discuss about the property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. If acute angle of a right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side of opposite 30 angle is half of the hypotenuse and side of opposite to the 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Now this property is explained by using the given diagram. Listen here carefully. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is the 90 degree angle, this will be 60 degree angle, and this will be 30 degree angle. In this diagram, this above two sentences are equipped. The right angle triangle are 30 and 60 degree. This is the right angle triangle of 30 degree and 60 degree. Then the side of the opposite 30 angle is, this is the 30 degree angle and its opposite side is this. This is the half of the hypotenuse and side of the 60 degree. 60 degrees opposite side this, and this is the root 3 upon 2 times of that hypotenuse. Now in this triangle LMN, angle L is equal to 30 degree, angle N is equal to 60 degree, and angle M is equal to 90 degree. Now the side opposite 30 degree is equal to MN. This side 30 degree angle side opposite is MN, and this MN is equal to 1/2 into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is LN, and hence this is also known as MN is equal to 1/2 into LN. Then side opposite to the 60 degree, side opposite to the 60 degree, 60 degree अँगलच्या विरुद्ध बाजूस असणारी बाजू LM ही आहे, आणि म्हणून LM is equal to root 3 upon 2 into LN. This LN means what actually? Hypotenuse. This is the LN and it is also known as hypotenuse. बघा मित्रांनो, या प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये 30, 60, 90 डिग्रीचा जो ट्रायंगल आहे याच्यामध्ये 30 कोनासमोरील बाजू कर्णाच्या निम्मे असते, 60 कोनासमोरील बाजू कर्णाच्या कर्णी चिन्हात 3/2 पट असते. हे आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे आणि यासाठी या ठिकाणी एक उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे. सपोज LN इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. LN इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. We will find the MN and LM. Now MN is equal to 1/2 into LN. After adding the value here, LN value is 6. 1/2 into 6, 2 3 जा 6, and hence MN is equal to 3 centimeter. Again LM is equal to root 3 upon 2 into LN. Here also added the value of LN is 6, and hence 2 3 जा 6 and 3 root 3 is the answer of that given side LM. Next property, 40 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree. If the acute angle of right angle triangle are 45 degree, 45 degree, then each of the perpendicular side is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse, and this is also known as property of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Now listen here. This is the our right angle triangle, but its one angle is 90 degree and another two angle is same, means 45 45 degree, and hence this angle is also known as 45 45 90 degree angle. In this angle each of the perpendicular side is 1 upon root 2 times of the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. And this side is also known as perpendicular sides of that given triangle, and hence this 45 and this 45 angles shown, and this is the 90-degree angle. Now this side is 1 upon root 2 of the hypotenuse, and this side also 1 upon root 2 of the hypotenuse. Now the given triangle XYZ, here XY side is equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse, means 1 upon root 2 into ZY, and then ZX or XZ is equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse, means the ZX is equal to 1 upon root 2 into ZY, and hence these two values are equal, and hence XY and YZ is also equal, and hence XY is equal to XZ is equal to 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse, means ZY. And in this manner, here suppose the ZY value is given 3 into root 2 centimeter, then we will find the given XY and ZX value, and hence here also written XY is equal to XZ is equal to 1 upon root 2 into 3 into root 2, and hence this root 2 and this root 2 get cancelled, only remaining value is 3 into 1 3, and hence XY is equal to XZ is equal to 3 centimeter. Now in this way these two property is completed. Then student going to solve the below activity. In this activity, make two congruent right angle triangle by using a paper, then take the another isosceles right angle triangle, and its congruent sides are equal to the hypotenuse of that given two congruent right angle triangle, and join this triangle to form a one trapezium. And then using this formula, area of the trapezium is equal to 1/2 into sum of the length of the parallel sides into height. These are the parallel sides and it is the height, and then we can prove the Pythagorean triplet. This is our homework. Then going to the next point, similarity and right angle triangle. Similarity and right angle triangle. Now listen here student, similarity and right angle triangle theorem. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Similarity of right angle triangle मध्ये जर आपण बघितलं तर त्यामध्ये थेरम दिलेला आहे. सपोज एका राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलमधनं जर एक अल्टिट्यूड काढला हायपोटेनियसमधनं, देन मेक अ टू ट्रायंगल्स, दोन ट्रायंगल्स तयार होतात आणि हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स कसे असतात, सिमिलर असतात. कुणाशी, पहिल्या ह्या मोठ्या ट्रायंगल्सशी आणि एकमेकांशी सुद्धा. या पद्धतीने हा थेरम आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. नाउ लिसन हियर केअरफुली. In the given triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the segment BD is perpendicular to the segment AC, means hypotenuse, and hence the point D is between of A and C, means ADC, and this is the our given triangle ABC is triangle ABC and angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is perpendicular to segment AC, and this is the sequence of the given points A, D and C. Then prove. angle triangle ADB, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, then triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, then triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. तर या ठिकाणी या एका मोठ्या त्रिकोणामध्ये राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलमध्ये जर कर्णावरती जर आपण एक अल्टिट्यूड काढला, त्याच्यापासनं जे दोन नवीन ट्रायंगल तयार होतील, ह्या दोन्ही नवीन ट्रायंगलपैकी एका ट्रायंगलचा सिमिलॅरिटी मोठ्या त्रिकोणाबरोबर दाखवतो. त्यानंतर उरलेल्या दुसऱ्या छोट्या त्रिकोणाची सिमिलॅरिटी ह्या पुन्हा मोठ्या त्रिकोणाबरोबर दाखवतो आणि शेवटी दोन जे छोटे छोटे ट्रायंगल आहेत त्यांची सिमिलॅरिटी एकमेकांबरोबर दाखवतो. असा हा आपल्याला प्रूफ दिलेला आहे. नाउ प्रूफ इन ट्रायंगल ADB and ABC, ADB and ABC म्हणजे हा वरचा ट्रायंगल घ्या आधी. Now listen here, I will dark this triangle and remaining triangle is undark or white. In this manner you should exactly imagine or different both triangles. This dark portion is also known as first triangle ADB and triangle ABC. In this both triangle, first is this point is common angle for both triangle. This angle is common angle for the both triangle, and then this is the 90 degree and this is also 90 degree angle, means this angle D and angle B is also congruent, and angle A for the first triangle and angle A for the second triangle is also congruent. These two properties are also here used, and hence by using the angle test, these two triangles, this small triangle and this is one bigger triangle, these two triangles are also similar, and hence proof triangle ADB and triangle ABC. In this both triangle, the angle A and angle A is the common angle, means the angle DAB is congruent angle BAC. Angle DAB for that first small triangle, ह्या छोट्या त्रिकोणाच्या कोन DAB आणि मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचा कोन BAC, हे जे दोन कोन आहेत हे कॉमन आहेत दोन्ही त्रिकोणांसाठी, आणि म्हणून त्यांना आपण कॉमन अँगल असं म्हणतो. त्याच्यानंतर छोट्या त्रिकोणाचा हा डी अँगल, अँगल ADB हा 90 डिग्रीचा आहे, आणि मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचा अँगल ABC म्हणजे हा कोन 90 डिग्रीचा आहे. हे दोन्ही कोन आपण इथे दाखवले. अँगल ADB कॉन्ग्रंट अँगल ABC इज इक्वल टू 90 degree, means each both are the 90 degree, and hence these two properties using these two triangles are also similar. Triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, it is also known as angle test. Then in the second triangle BDC, this is the white color triangle BDC. दिस BDC, हा BDC हा छोटा ट्रायंगल आपण विचारात घेऊया, आणि आता मोठा ट्रायंगल ABC हा विचारात घेऊया. त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी या ट्रायंगल BDC मध्ये पुन्हा कोन C हा कॉमन आहे, आणि कोन B व कोन D खालच्या बाजूने हे दोघं जण 90 डिग्रीचे आहेत, आणि हे फक्त आपण स्टेप बाय स्टेप मांडूया. अँगल या ठिकाणी अँगल BCD हा कोन घेऊया, आणि या मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचा अँगल ACB म्हणजे हाच कोन येतो, आणि त्यावरून ते दोघं कोन कॉमन अँगल आहेत असं म्हणता येईल. त्यानंतर अँगल बी डी सी हा 90 डिग्रीचा छोट्या त्रिकोणाचा कोन आणि मोठ्या त्रिकोणाचा अँगल ए बी सी हा 90 डिग्रीचा कोन तो या ठिकाणी दाखवला. हे दोघंही कॉन्ग्रंट दाखवले आणि ते 90 डिग्री आहे. या दोन घटकांवरून आपण असं सांगू शकतो की ट्रायंगल बी डी सी similar to triangle ABC and it is also known as angle test. कोको ह्या समरूपतेच्या कसोटीनुसार या ठिकाणी हे दोन ट्रायंगल एकमेकांशी समरूप आहेत. इथं सुद्धा कोको कसोटीनुसार हे दोन ट्रायंगल एकमेकांशी समरूप आहे आणि याला जर विधान क्रमांक 1 आणि विधान क्रमांक 2 असे नाव दिले. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज इक्वेशन 1 अँड इक्वेशन 2. Then the triangle EDB is similar to triangle BDC from first and second, and then hence also by using the transitivity property, triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC and same the triangle ABC also similar, and hence हे तिन्ही त्रिकोण 1, त्रिकोण 2 आणि हा एक मोठा त्रिकोण हे ट्रान्झिस्टिव्हिटी प्रॉपर्टीनुसार सिमिलर येतात. आणि या पद्धतीने आय हॅव कंप्लीटेड द सिमिलॅरिटी अँड राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल थेरम. डिअर स्टुडंट, राईट डाऊन दिस theorem and before these two properties in our notebook and study carefully.